Aloha mai nei kako o Tracie Keolalani ke ia. If you would like more information about me, you can visit my website at traciekeolalani.com. There you can get my autobiography, a book about my life. You can also get music that I've written and sing. You can also subscribe to my newsletter where you get information about current events and a lot of good stuff that's coming up. In this video, we're going to go over how you can introduce yourself in Hawaiian. Stay till the end because I will give you important tips on introducing yourself. And then also leave me a comment below about this video or about what you would like to learn in the future. One of the most important things about learning a language is being able to pronounce like a fluent speaker. If you need help with your pronunciation, go ahead and click this video above and you can go to my pronunciation series. So let's get started. So, helu e kahi, number 1, how to introduce yourself. O ko'u inoa. E ho'opili mai, repeat after me. O ko'u inoa. And right there in that blank is where you would put your name. So I would say, O Tracie Keolalani ko'u inoa. Okay, so you put your name in there and let's repeat it 2 times. O ko'u inoa. One more time, hanaho. O ko'u inoa. Maikai. Number 2, helu elua. There's 2 different ways to say it. So the first way is o vau. E ho'opili mai. O vau. Or o au. Vau and au both mean I. And that means I am and whatever your name is. So you put your name in that blank right there. So I would say, O Tracie Keolalani vau. Or, O Tracie Keolalani au. Now vau and au, like I said, are interchangeable and you can use either one. So let's go and put your inoa, your name, into that blank. All right, let's do it 2 times. Elua manava. O vau. O vau. O au. O au. Maikai, very good. Tip number 1. So it's very important that before you talk about yourself or introduce yourself, you always use a greeting. It's considered polite. If you want to watch the greeting video that I created to know different ways that you can greet someone before you say who you are, go ahead and click on the video above. I hope you learned something today. If you would like the slides for this video and you would like to teach them to your students, then you can go to my Teachers Pay Teachers site. The link is listed below. Or if you would like the whole course, including the 2 videos and the slide that goes along with this teaching series, then you can go to courses.traciekeolalani.com. Until next time, mahalo for joining me today and ahui ho.